kiss. Blow kiss, blow kiss. Yeah, so cute. Don't cry. This is Yuki, our golden retriever. Hello, Yuki. Yuki, come. Very good boy. Sit. Sit. How are you? You had your breakfast already. Yeah, Maddie, touch Yuki. Oh, you love Yuki? Yes? Let's go? Yeah, we will go to the park. Yeah, she's happy. Say bye-bye. Blow kiss. And Yuki also want to take goodbye. Say goodbye, Yuki. Bye-bye. Yes. So beautiful, girl. Bye for now. Good morning to all.